Hello, we have a task A by our prof for the end of semester, which is our final exam, and this is our final requirements. We're gonna task as making scenario in the both of two subjects, which is the discrete and the advanced C++. So in discrete, you're gonna choose to the lesson that she gives, and you're gonna choose at the back end in the advanced C++. So this is my project scenario, which is the volleyball tournament schedule. I will explain it to you, my scenario. So I choose the discrete lesson, which is the combination without repetition, and my backend in advanced C++, which is the template programming. So I make volleyball tournament schedule in the intrams. So in one year in school, as a college, we have a intrams. So I decided to make a schedule in the four, including the four department, which is the BSBA, Bachelor of Science Business Administration, BSSW, Bachelor of Science in Social Work, BEd, Bachelor of Elementary Education, and BSIT, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. So as the intramurals community as help in one student to create a program. So that's easy, to make it easy. So the student name as Ellie. So Ellie create advanced C++ program that can automatically make the tournament game schedule. So Ellie plans how the program should work. She decided to use combination without repetition to make match up. This is the example of the 5 teams, which is the A versus B, C versus D, A versus C, B versus D, A versus D, and the last is B versus C. Each match happens only once, so A versus B is the same as the B versus A. So only one of them should appear. That's called the combination without repetition in the lesson. In all the program, it's only once repeated only. There's no repeated, it's only one to see it. Next is Ellie also wants the program to be smooth and safe, so she adds the template programming to be a backend to catch mistake. The including is the syntax error when the language violates the rules, such as a typos, missing semicolons, the program cannot run. And you can think logic when your program does not run. After that, Ellie tests the 4 games team. The output is Spike versus Bulls, Coastal versus Access, Spike versus Coastal, Bulls versus Access, Spike versus Access, Bulls versus Coastal. So I will play in the screen the program. This is the header inclusion, which is the include IOStream, vector, string, and algorithm. So this line is necessary standard libraries. This one. And the IOStream, it means this is the input and output operation, and the vector is used to container for storing teams. The string is, for short, is the class for team's name. And the algorithm, it's not directly used in this specific code. And next is the this is the string name. Code name, code, the code. And this one. This is the team class template. Template type name is the placeholder for a data type. And the T code, the team's code, the type is determined by T. And the void print const, this one, this is the method to team print. Next. And after that, this template type name again, this is called the class valuable tournament class template. Valuable is the line of 24. Constructors that takes a vector of team objects as input and initialize the team member. This line in 24. And line 26, which is this method generates and prints the tournament schedules, and it first check if there are exactly 4 teams. If not, it prints an error. And it chooses the hard-coded set of matches for the round robin. And this is the main function, which is the, where's the hint main? This one. This is the main function that consider it is the how to use the team valuable classes with both integers and string team. It creates vector of teams object and valuable tournaments object, and it's called print schedule. So in short, this is you're gonna run it and wait, additional, this is the team A that I said a while ago in the documents of the project scenario. Team B, Team C, and Team D. Third dot, and this one, the name of the game, Spike, Bulls, Coastal, and Access.
When you run the program, the output is the Team 1, A versus B, Set 2, C versus D, Set 3, A versus C, Set 4, B versus D, Set 5, A versus D, and last 6, B versus C. And the second, the name game, Spike versus Bulls, Coastal versus Access, Spike versus Coastal, Bulls versus Access, Spike versus Access, Bulls versus Coastal. And when you see it, this set has a combination without no repetition. There's no repeat in this set 6 in both. Again, I use this project scenario in the discrete, which is the combination without no repetition, and the backend of Advanced C++, which is the template program. That's it. Thank you.